dramatically late this afternoon.
Yeah, it's been wild out there, Eric.
I'm glad I wasn't the only one that was looking at the maple billboard that whole time in that story and thinking, wow, this weekend maple pumpkin, that sounds pretty good. Yeah, some cooler air is going to make its way into New England for the first time this season after a scorching day today that ended with some storms. Those storms now making their way along the south coast around Buzzards Bay is where we find the highest concentration of some heavier rainfall, some thunder and lightning from New Bedford, wrapping around through Wareham, Onset, and down into North Falmouth around Monument Beach. Getting some heavy rain, some thunder and lightning. Also some rain across the outer Cape. Things starting to dwindle a little bit across the region. And still some thunder and lightning around Boston. It's a good time to stay indoors just when we still have some of these renegade lightning strikes that are still a bit removed from the storms themselves. Quite a few storm reports coming in, especially late this afternoon around 5 o'clock. Tree down on a car in Dover, thanks to a lightning strike there, and also some wires down and a tree down as well in Foxborough. Some thunderstorm wind damage reported. Some gusts over 50 miles per hour. These storms were very visible. This picture from Derek, a big anvil spreading out from that cumulonimbus cloud could be seen from many miles away. And it capped a day of some pretty exceptional September heat. It hit 97 in Boston, which easily broke the record for the date, which had been set in 1983. We have cooled off behind the storms, but it's not very dry just yet. Still very humid outside. The drier air is across southeastern Canada as well as northern New England, and it will be slowly filtering in tonight. So as we head into the evening, by 11 o'clock, it's still pretty humid out there. It's feeling drier across New Hampshire and Vermont, but for the rest of us, it's still very muggy. By the time we wake up tomorrow morning, this is where it's starting to feel drier, and we get much drier air as we head into the rest of the day and certainly this weekend, where fall is knocking. But taking a look at our hour by hour, the rest of our storms are done in about 90 minutes or so. Chance for a light shower overnight. And then tomorrow morning, there's one more little wave that's going to move across the area. So we could see a few more showers during the first half of the day tomorrow, especially along and south of the Mass Pike. Then we'll see brightening skies from north to south during the afternoon. So the afternoon and evening will be the best part of the day tomorrow. Our temps tonight hold up into the 60s across the region. It's a pretty gray start to the day tomorrow and a chance for a few of those showers. As we head toward midday, the last of the showers are starting to exit. And then we'll see a brighter afternoon. Temperatures able to rebound a little bit into the 70s, where you get the sun first, close to 80 degrees north and west of Boston, where the clouds are going to lurk for a good part of the day, lower to some middle 70s in southeastern Mass. As for the humidity, it really bottoms out this weekend. It's going to make for a definite autumn feel to the air. We got a 3-day break. The humidity starts to return on Monday, and then in earnest Monday night into Tuesday. But at least there is some relief. It's going to feel fantastic this weekend. Bit of a milky sky on Saturday, a lot of high clouds, but temperatures will be in the 70s. 60s will do it on Sunday. So it is going to be one of the coolest days we've had in a long time. Haven't seen a day like this since June. Back in the very beginning of summer for the Patriots, that is football weather. It's going to be a little chilly when you set up the tailgate on Sunday morning. Heading up toward the Lakes region, if you get toward close to mid-September, you're getting that fall feel. Well, this will do it. 70s on Friday, 60s on both Saturday and Sunday. Parts of northern New England could even see some 30s on Sunday morning. How about the tropics? We are watching Hurricane Florence, 80-mile-per-hour winds right now. It's going to weaken into tonight and then regain some strength as we head into the weekend and get very close to Bermuda by early next week. If this will have any impact for us, it would be at the absolute end of next week, talking Friday into Saturday. And indications are this is going to get close to the eastern seaboard. We've got a long time to watch it. Just a good time to think about any hurricane preparedness plans, and we'll be updating you through the weekend. And I think Saturday into Sunday is where we really start to get a better bead on where Florence will be heading in the long run. But here's the full 7-day. Cool air is here for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Rain is also likely on Monday, and then some warmth and humidity are back for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And David and Lisa, that can change depending on where Florence eventually heads up.
Yes, so definitely something to watch. Eric, thank you.